There is a couple of buildings here at the top of the hill. Here, one which is a like detached dwelling, and there's this. These are like sketches here, and this is where I will work now.
Like a conceptual stage, right?
Yeah, the concept drawings. And if I go back to the 2D drawing, you will see that some parts of these drawings are grayed out, and it's simply because in this project the designer decided to use separate buildings. The logical individuum of this item called the building allows you to set up one drawing as one building, another drawing as another building, and you can combine them into one project, and you can work on larger projects like this. So what you see here now, this single building is highlighted, and this is where you can work. This is what you can select. This is what you can edit. I will work on that later. And if I would like to work on this, I need to go to the to the settings of the levels, the floors. Here I can see that these are my floors, and actually there's a button here where you can set up or you can switch between the buildings if you already have existing ones. By default, the software will always create at least one building in the project, so that will be called like default building. And if you would like to, you can rename those buildings, you can add new ones, and you can remove that content if you want. Actually, there is one called the surrounding now, and that contains these tiny buildings, so I just click on that. And this way I'm actually switching to that building. And when I click OK...
It's pretty similar to the floor selector itself.
Yes, so. yes. Actually, it happens the same way. You just select the building itself, you say OK, and then now, as you can see, the software is working on something, and this means you can actually separate your models into several parts, and you can also focus on what to see in the 3D. And this happens here with this 3D update button. There is the build 3D model button here. And this allows you to set up, either you would like to see only one floor, all the floors, and all the buildings. So this way, now whatever I do, I will see always the full content, the full project. But if it's a large project, or if you just would like to focus on that single building that you're working on, you can just disable this all buildings switch, and then you will see only those parts appearing that are highlighted, that are editable in front of you in the drawing.